Hello guys, and welcome back to another class of our course about the complete introduction to Photoshop. So basically in today's class we are going to talk about something that is pretty interesting. So basically in the past class we talked about changing people's colors and all this stuff. Today we are going to talk about how to retouch pictures. Basically we are going to learn a very important tool that can be used to retouch pictures and take away all the imperfections that are inside of a picture. So this tool is just right here, and we are going to talk about the healing brush tool as well as the spot healing brush tool as well as the healing brush tool, which are pretty much the same thing. But you'll see it's pretty cool to use them, and the way it works, the way they work are pretty simple, and the results can be very good. So what I'll suggest you guys to do is take a picture that you want to retouch because you have some imperfections, for example on the face or anywhere else, and any type of imperfections that you guys want to take away. And this is exactly what we are going to do. Alright, so let's start. So we'll start with this first layer right here. So as you can see, the guy right here has a lot of acne, and what we'll do is pretty simple. We'll just take away this acne. And how exactly we can take it away, it's pretty simple. So there are two ways. So first of all, we have the spot healing brush tool. So this tool works automatically, and it will clear the skin automatically. So basically based on the other pixels that are around, what's gonna happen, it's gonna automatically clear the spot that you want to be cleared. So let's say for example you want to clear this spot right here. So what's gonna happen, it will automatically clean it, and it will use the coloration that is around this spot to be able to clear it. So as you can see, it's pretty simple, and it does a pretty good effect. Once again, if for example you want to clear this, everything that is right here also, it could work. So it works pretty well, but once again you don't want to go too fast. So basically take your time just to be sure that everything works fine. So this is for the first tool. So basically I'll show you the tools and then we are going to practice everything. So as you can see, works pretty fine on this picture right there. So I'm able to take away pretty much all the imperfections. Another tool that you guys can use will be the healing brush tool. And basically how this tool works is pretty simple. So first of all, you click on Alt, you select what type of skin you want. So basically if I want to copy and paste this, the acne that is right here, it's pretty simple. I just click on Alt, click on the acne, and then I can paste it pretty much everywhere. So I can grow acne on this guy. So once again, as you can see, it's pretty cool. Once again, my goal here is not to grow acne on him, it's to heal him. And this is exactly what I will do. So pretty simple, I'll just take the skin right here, and I will patch all the acne that this poor guy has. So pretty simple, as you can see, it does a pretty good job. Once again, I don't want to go too fast to be sure that everything is good. And another trick that you guys can use, so basically this is, in my opinion, my favorite tool. So if I have to choose between the spot healing brush and the healing brush tool, this one is, in my opinion, the best between those two. But once again, why is it the best? In my opinion, is once again because you can choose what part of the body you want to put instead of this part right here. So let's say for example I'm right here, I'm not gonna put this skin right there, I'm gonna use the skin of the mustache, for example. And this is exactly why I prefer it, because I control how I use it, which is pretty cool. And as you can see, it fixes pretty much the problem. Another thing, if for example I want to make it bigger, it's gonna be right here. So basically I can decide the size of the thing that I want to correct. So basically here it's too big. Once again, I click on Alt. For example, I want to correct the skin right here. I simply click on it, and then I can correct it. So once again, it won't make sense if I, for example, decide to correct this piece right here, and I take away a huge piece like this. It will not make sense because as you can see, will make a huge imperfections. So his nose will be closed, so it doesn't make sense. So once again, it don't have to be too big, but once again, not too small as well, because it's gonna take you too much time. So for example, for this piece right here, I can patch it like this. So for now, it's perfect. So let's work on the nose. So same thing. As you can see, in only one click, I'm able to hide all the imperfections without necessarily having to work harder than this. And it all appears really natural. This is why it's pretty cool. Here we go. So as you can see, it's pretty cool. The result is pretty good. So right here we have, well, we have something right there as well. Right here, so we can make it even smaller. And we can work on it right there. Here we go. Here we'll use this tool. Here we go. So as you can see, the pic is pretty good. So we got rid of all the acne that we have. Another thing that we can fix, for example, under the eyes, all those, well, all the lines that we have under the eyes, for example, we are able to fix it. So we'll use the second tool. So this one right here. So as you can see, I'm able to fix all those little lines. So the picture is not perfect, but it's way better than it was before with all the acne, which is pretty cool. As you can see right now, I fixed pretty much all the acne problem, and I even made the picture, well, better. So the guy looks even younger, which is pretty cool. Here we go. All right, so right now we have the picture. So right now we have the corrected picture. So as you can see, this tool works pretty fine. So let's try it out on another person. So right here we have another person that has acne. So what we can do, we can use pretty much the same tools that we have used. So we'll just select this place right here, and then we can correct all the acne. So once again, this picture is not the best quality. So as you can see, we have pixels everywhere. So once again, another thing, you need to be really careful, because sometimes if you take the skin from here and you try to put it there, so as you can see, what's gonna happen is that it won't be that perfect. So you want it to be as good as possible. Here we go. All right. So as you can see, all the imperfections have been taken away, and it took me not even 5 seconds, which is pretty good. Which is pretty cool. So basically, you can take away all the imperfections on pictures. Same thing for this one. So as you can see here, we have a lot of acne, and this is exactly what we are going to fix right now. So same thing, we are going to use in this case the spot healing brush tool to fix everything. If the picture's quality were even higher quality, we would have been able to fix all the imperfections on the picture. Right now, we are just going to fix the acne. So as you can see, simply by clicking, I'm able to take away all the acne once again. So it's pretty cool. What's cool also is that no one can even, well, no one will see the difference between the first picture and the second one. So basically, with the modifications, no one will even be aware that this person has acne. This is why it's pretty cool. So yes, once again, right now it's not that perfect because of the lightning. So this way there is a lot of lightning. This way there is a little bit less of lightning. So if I want the picture to be 100% perfect, it will take me a little bit more time to work on it. Once again, it's possible to create really good results. So as you can see right now, this person has, well, you will never know that this person has acne. So it's pretty cool. So as you can see, the result is really good. So as you can see, we took away the acne of all of those people. So basically, this person don't have acne anymore. This person don't have acne anymore. And simply by the use of only one click. So the tool is just right here. It's the spot healing brush. And it not only works on acne, it could work on, for example, if you have a piece of clothing and this piece of clothing has some kind of imperfections. Well, basically, you can work on it and take away all the imperfections. For example, a piece of clothing is dirty or whatever. You can work with it, and no one will even see that this piece of clothing is dirty. So as you can see, I took away all the imperfections, and if the picture were higher quality, well, those two pictures were a little bit higher quality. I would have been even able to take all the imperfections around the eyes and all other imperfections. So I hope you guys right now understood how to work with this amazing tool. So that's it for this class, guys, and see you all in our next class.